Hello, you are welcome to Konkomba Study Room, my good friend. Njonya aninsen ka yorata kukone le papan abem adipone. Today we are coming to learn nearest in meaning in le papan. Today tinambe dinwe le bobelenge mansel le bobelenke atata kinya le papan ponena. Together, nearest meaning ayetwana kabi. We will explain what nearest meaning is for your understanding. Nearest meaning, it refers to words that have similar or the same meaning with the one in the question. Nearest meaning le yilibobel linding libobel linking atata na kinya mbaba mpone be ngobabel ngpa tatana. But before we go to the examples, kindly follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and on WhatsApp. Our name is Lipapan to the world. Tipi nangange ledite Kenya Facebook wo be YouTube be WhatsApp wo. Tayembele ye Lipapan to the world. On WhatsApp, you can give us your contacts and we'll add you to the group. WhatsApp muna age wantita angwe atangana fo angwe be kati de kede pe na machi. So chatepino, let's begin. Example of words and the words that can replace them and their meaning, or they have the similar meaning. Tige bo le mol pone kenya le bobelenka gima sin la tatana. Example number 1. Le mol njenya bwin, it means gone. Bwin means gone. And the word that can be replaced bwin bobelenka ma si bwin atata bonale ye wam. Be twin, be nyar. Win, le babele ngama se bwe monala ye. Bwam, be twin, be nyar. Let's go to the second example. Chate bwam le mo le pona. Look, it means look. Look, it means look. And the word that can be replaced, le bobe ngema si le magba atata na ye. Ya be. Ya be. Na ye be. The next example, le mo lampana. Lache means where. Lache where. And the word that can be replaced be le bobelenge ma si lache atata bunale ye. Lawap be labu be labwe be lapan lache be labwe be lawap be labu be lapan. Let's go to the next example. Chatebom le molempana. Inge means how much, and the words that can be replaced inge is le babelenge masi inge atata na le ye. Ingai be mai to tibom le molem pana. Ge means like, and the word that can be replaced is as follow. ge atata ile kampone ke like ti kwarange masi na tatabuna libo belenge masi na tatabuna la pana la be ji be la be ji tekbam le molam pana. The next example is bimomok. It means all of them. And the way that can be replaced all of them is the Babylon game is still all of them. Be bimomok atata wonele ye. Bikoko, be bikoko, be bibi. Bumomok, bikoko, bibi, baby coco, ye, le bobby ban, and yet. Kibom koko amol. We are going to the last example. Kina, it means that is it. And the way that can be replaced, kina, le bobby ngema si, kina atata punele ye. Kini be kia. So takoko amol mo lena. This is our last example. Before we leave, kindly follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and WhatsApp. Like our page, like this video, share it to your colleagues, and let them also learn from it. You will see the above. There will be the written how to write it. It will be put there for you to get a note from it. Tinyana, I look junjung ya pachamka age kentung min ba check the bell. Maybe na age me bo la papalam ponena. But the gangi yarti anabiti kan bumumbe kungwe. Kaligi tak bola mena. It is Lepapan to the world that brought this to you. And it is your brother Mangu Ilemo Joseph speaking. Ni Lepapan to the world in Chalabobli Pirne. Ngani yana Mangu Ilemo Joseph and Lena. Thank for your time and have a wonderful day. And a children warranty in UN. Bye bye.